So today, another important topic, Lambda, Lambda expressions in Java. So let's talk about Lambda expressions in Java 1.8. Sir, in previous versions of Java, this Lambda expressions concept is not there. It is introduced in Java 8. So first of all, what is the meaning of this lambda expression? Means, sir, a lambda expression is a concise way of representing anonymous functions. Anonymous functions. Sir, anonymous function means what? Nameless function. So lambda expression is something like that. It is an anonymous function. It does not have which things name. There won't be any name for that. Return type declaration won't be there. So next, even access modifier won't be there like that. So whenever you are writing a function, you won't give any name for that. Even what type of value it is returning, we won't mention. Sir, even access modifier also, you are not required to provide. Okay, but if we want to represent lambda expressions, in programming format, then what you have to do? There is one concept named with functional interface. So we have to use that. But don't worry, how to write that I will explain. Sir, what is the main advantages? What are the main advantages that we will get through these lambda functions? Sir, shorter code, a simple code we can write, more readability you can able to gain. So next, sir, functional style programming is introduced in Java. Next, even it is very easy for collection processing, and it is mainly used in stream API operations. So even for event handling, of course, now we are not using for event handling. So even for multi-threading applications also, we can use these lambda expressions. Such a beautiful concept which is there in Java 1.8. Sir, don't worry how to write that. Okay, how you can develop the applications. All these things I will explain in depth because I wanted to take this session in deeper so that it is one-time activity. So introduction to these lambda expressions is clear, means I will move to the next concept. Clear?
Event handling means?
Suppose if I want to click a button, when that button is clicked, I want to display some message. Definitely we have to write a separate code. There will be some button clicked event will be there. We have to override that event. Then only you can display the message. By using lambda expression, you can write that in a single line. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
So,
sir. So what is Stream API?
Stream API is also one of the latest version feature what we have. We are going to cover in this series of videos only. We will cover that. Okay.
Okay.
So there compulsory we are going to use that. Can I go with programming part now?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. So now to understand this with a layman terminology, I will take one example program. Please listen, friends. Sir, I'm going to take one Java program. In this Java program, listen carefully. I have one interface is there. Named with A. Inside this interface, I am declaring one method. Now tell me, if I want to implement this method here, what is the first way? We have to define a class. Let us take B. And which keyword we have to use? Implements A. And you need to override which method? Public void M. You have to override. So by printing some message saying method M implementation in class B. Correct?
Yes.
And it is a general approach which we are going to follow. Am I right, friends?
Yes,
How
sir.
we will call that? We will create object for B by using that I am calling M. So now let's have a look once. Java. See, first I will change to Java 8. Okay, no problem. Java C test.java. The code compiles fine. Java space at test. This is one way of providing implementation. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, I will take the heading as implementation. Okay. Implementation of interface methods. Okay. Sir, implementation of interface method using which approach? General approach. Sir, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Sir, I can use this implementation
No.
in one more way. What is another way is using anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class also you can take. That means a class without any name. I will convert this program into that. I will convert this program into that. Have a look once. Sir, we are not required to write this code. Then what we are going to do? Sir, you are creating object for B, right? While creating the object, just to provide empty brackets. And here, can you please override that? So what is advantage? You are not required to create object for which class? B class.
B class.
You are not required to create object for which class? B class. Sir, don't worry. There are some small modifications we need to do that I will explain. Sir, to which class then we need to create object? A obj is equal to A. Sir, we are not creating object for A. We are providing implementation for this A. In a class, is there any name of this class? No. Hence, this class is called as what? Anonymous class. Anonymous. Clear, friends? Sir, in this program, total how many classes we have? 2 classes. One is a test class. What is the name of the another class? There is no name. Clear, friends? Any questions?
Well, internally it implements a interface.
Yes. Clear? This part only we copy pasted from class B, right? Just we are not giving the name. Okay. Let us compile. Let us run. Sir, is it is executing? Please confirm. Clear? Sir, please respond. Clear up to this.
Sir, A is an interface. How can we create object for interface?
Where I created object. I'm not creating. Sir, A reference I am taking. New A. Okay, new A. What is the meaning of that? I am not creating object directly for A. I am providing some implementation.
Okay.
I am not creating object. I am providing some implementation. Suppose if it is not there, then it is an object. Now even after semicolon I am not taking. In between only I am taking. What is the meaning of that?
Anonymous
I am
inner class.
overriding. Yes, I am overriding this. Even if you see dir star dot class, sorry, star dot class, are you seeing in test class there is one inner class is there? Are you seeing, friends?
Yes, sir.
It is anonymous. Got it?
Got it.
Now, sir, by using lambda expressions, how you can do that? Among these three, you have to tell which is the best one. Okay. So now let us see by using anonymous classes how we can. Sir, it is very simple. Just what I will do is a obj is there, right, is equal to. Now, sir, I am not going to take all these things. Okay, just one arrow mark I am taking. Like this, I will take. That's all, friends. So system.out.println method A implementation in. So implementation. Sir, using which concept? Using lambda. That's all. You can see how much code we reduced. So this is nothing but the syntax of lambda expression. But don't worry, in-depth postmortem we will do. But as of now, there is another way is there. That part I am explaining now. Yes, it is giving the answer. So how to write this? Is there any rules and regulations are there? Yes, we have certain rules and regulations are there. That part only I am going to discuss now. Any questions?
No, sir.
So here
Is the basic.
the object which is created, that is also inner class object or
Yes, yes.
okay.
Clear.
Yes.
So if you want, you can check what is happening internally. Yes, it is not creating object. Have you observed? It is not creating object. So here object is not coming into the picture. Without creating object, we are invoking this by using the reference. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now what is the syntax? What is the syntax? Sir, lambda expression syntax you have to aware. Sir, what is lambda expression syntax? The general syntax is within brackets you have to take the parameters followed by arrow symbol and you need to write the expression. This is one way. There is one more way is there. Parameters. Suppose if you have a group of statements, you can write those expressions here. Expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, and so on. So two syntaxes. If you have a single line, how you can write. So if you have a group of statements, how you can write. Okay. Sir, still there are some limitations I will explain. So if you take example, can I take a comma b colon a plus b? Like this we can write. Sir, is it a lambda expression? Yes. Sir, what is a comma b here? This a comma b represents, sir, it represents parameters for the function. What about this one? Is a lambda operator. What about a plus b? A plus b is nothing but lambda body, or I can say the main logic. Clear? Any doubt? Clear?
Yes.
What else things we can write in expression?
Mm-hmm.
In expression,
Yeah.
what things can we
It
write?
is a Java statement. Any Java statement you can take. Any
Okay.
Java statement is valid, right?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, can I write some lambda expressions? Then how to execute that part we will see later. Can I go for some 4 or 5 lambda expressions?
Yes, sir.
How to simplify that we will see later. But how to write the lambda expressions we need to understand. Can I go for that?
Yes, sir.
So I will take example one. Multiple examples I will cover, friends. Have a look once. Example one. Sir, I have a normal function like public void m within bracket. So there is one message like system.out.println of hello. Like this, I have one message. This is general function. I want to write these into lambda expression. Sir, can I take like this? Can I take like this? Is it lambda expression or not? Please confirm. Correct. Because
Yes.
these names and all we are removing. We are removing access modifier. We are removing return type. We are removing the name also. Got it, friends?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
can I write this like this also? Because within curly brackets, how many statements we have, friends? Only one. Can I remove that? As
Yes, sir.
per the rules and regulations of
Yes.
Java, we can do that. Correct?
Yes.
Now, example two. Example two. What is second example is? Sir, I have public void add method is there, which is taking 2 parameters. And what is the code inside this is system.out.println of a plus b is there. Can I write this one like int a comma int b arrow mark system.out.println of a plus b? Can I write like this, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So we can write a statement like this. There is no problem. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for a few more?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, sir, do you know this int a b also you can take. Simply you can take e and b automatically. My compiler is going to take the type based on the context what you provided. It is also possible. Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Sir, example 3, third example. Listen carefully. This is a bit tricky example. Sir, public string m is there. M is there, which is taking a string yes. And what is the code internally we have is return yes. Can I say m function is taking a method, m is taking one string and it is returning the same string, correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I convert this like it will take one string argument and it will return that string, correct, sir?
Yes.
Can I remove that one also?
Yes.
Sir, even that return statement also you can ignore. This kind of flexibility is also there. Return statement also, if you want, you can ignore. Don't worry, all these applications we will execute and we will see. Got it, friends?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, on this.
So one more example, example 4. Suppose I have only one parameter is like integer a, and I want to print that a, system.out.println of a. Sir, can I write these like this? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Friends, even these brackets also you can ignore. If you have only one parameter, that bracket also you can ignore. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Beautiful concept. Correct?
Sir, in line 881, if there were two statements, then in second statement we can skip return.
Return, only one return is allowed, right?
No, in 881 line, if suppose there are two statements, first is concatenation and another is return.
No, compulsory you have to write within brackets.
And return keyword can be skipped there or
No, you have to write.
okay.
This is possible only for a single line.
Okay, sir.
So if you are clear with these 4 examples, let's go with a small kind of chota applications. Can I?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I want to implement these lambda expressions, okay, if I want to implement these lambda expressions, we need to go for some concept called functional interface.